Hello everyone, welcome back to Masha's Hamza Javed once again with another video. Well, today I'm at Sunway Pyramid and there's a food expo going on, so I'm here to discover that. And then there's a BMW Expo as well, and many other. There's a BMW Expo going on, and they have displayed a lot of cars, Mini Coopers and some top end. Mini Cooper is my favorite. This one is an electric one, and they have displayed. You guys can come and sit inside and enjoy the interior and all that. Well, now I'm heading toward the food expo, which is why I'm here. And Sunway is a beautiful mall, so you can come here for shopping, food, and a lot more. There's a ski as well, indoor ski, ice ski actually. Well, anyways, if you guys haven't subscribed, please go hit the subscribe button. I really need your subscriptions. And thank you so much for the support on Genting Highland and Cameron Highland video. I really appreciate that you guys have shown so much love to me. So, oh yeah, this is going on Vivo 80 X80 promotion as well. So you guys can get free stuff, like they're giving a free gamble and something mobile gamble actually, yeah, and some other stuff as well while you buy that mobile, and you can come and test the mobile as well. Well, this is the price, 3,499, 3,500 ringgit, and to be honest, a good mobile. I'm not an Android user, but it seems to be a very light mobile. It's lightweighted and it's pretty good. And the camera, okay, you guys can see me. Hello. and the camera seems to be good as well. The result is good, but I'm not sure. Like, I'm not an Android user, so you guys can maybe comment down that is it a worthy mobile or not, or how to put that. Okay, never mind. There we go. Okay, so they're giving free stuff like candy bar, candy. Anyways, now we are heading toward again back to expo, but whatever comes in my way, like which is interesting, I will stop and try to cover that as well. So once I'm in mall, why not to cover a mall? So right now I'm in front of Foot Locker. They have a great shoes, so let's go in Foot Locker and see what they have for us. And I can see some Jordans. I'm sorry if I'm taking wrong name. I'm not really a fan of shoes. I'll cover that Jordan up there later. I think that's Jordan. Oh, I don't know what is it, but it looks beautiful. Oh, Nike. That seems to be a nice shoe. How much is it? 549. That's a nice price as well. I haven't seen that shoes in Nike official store though. I think there are some like some models that are not available at Nike itself. Okay. Oh, what is this? Oh, that looks amazing. The price 669. Oh, that's great. Okay. I don't have words, but I like this one. New Balance, the black and white combo, it's too good. So let's go back to the Nike. Well, I prefer Jordan more over anything else. So I don't know I sound stupid or not, but Jordan looks more better. Oh, this one is also good, but the color combination is quite complicated. Okay, I'm out. I'm not buying anything, so now I'm going to show you a little more shops, and then I'll go to I'm directed toward the food expo, but in between these things are coming, like I'm like, why not to show these things? So see you guys. Oh, this is a mix. It's spicy steak. I think it's a Korean. Well, I don't know what it is, so if anyone of you know, please do comment below, so next time I'll come and try like what's the best thing out there. So if you know, do comment there, so I can come and try for you. Okay, I was walking by and I saw these things. What an amazing piece of an art, especially this bag. If you're buying a bag, just buy this one. It's too good. Well, if you're buying that bag, you can come to Gamers Arena. They listed the price, I think 459, something like that. So if you're buying that one, just buy it. It's too good. Okay, so now I'm heading toward the convention center. After a lot of searching, I found one banner which was located toward convention center. So I'm headed toward the convention center. It's on the topmost floor, then you have to walk toward the park, inside the parking actually. So as the guard explained to me, so see you guys in the expo. So now I'm walking in the parking toward the convention center, and convention center is situated on the top floor, as I already mentioned to you guys. And now I can see that. So see you guys in there. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button till now. And I'll try to cover everything in Expo, Food Expo. Finally, we have reached Sunway Pyramid Convention Center, and to be honest, you can park exactly in front of it and walk in to enjoy the food expo. It's going to be from 14 until 17. So I think this video you will be getting around 16 because I'm shooting on 16. Finally, I'm in food expo, but I can see some electronics also, so you can buy those things also. And I can see a lot of free stuff going on here, like a lot of free samples, and people are just sitting over there and enjoying their stuff. You can directly buy from them. There's banks, famous brands, and so on. This is not just the expo, this is the starting of our expo. I'm heading toward the entrance, so it's actually based inside but the inside is quite full, so they give these shops outside, I think. And then there's a mask shop as well on my right side, and there's a lot of things like, and the atmosphere is quite, aristocratic, and people are like quite happy to be here. I don't know what this means, it's in Chinese, but I think it's some traveling guide. And then this guy is displaying some shoes, I don't know what, but yeah, I'll cover that later. But where I'm going right now is an interesting part I wanted to show. So okay, never mind, I got my place. So if you guys are coming to this place that I'm going to show you guys right now, make sure to come early in the morning. I've been there before, and you need to be here early in the morning. If you come late, you won't be able to enjoy. So basically what I'm going to show is Sunway Lagoon. Yes, this is how it looks, and it's amazing. In future I will definitely go there for you guys to cover this, so stay tuned for that video, but I'm not sure when, but soon. And this bridge is the one of the most famous one. It's so long that it takes like quite a lot of time to just go from one place to another. So basically you can enjoy your whole day. You should come early in the morning, and you'll definitely go back around evening. You cannot go earlier than that until you're tired. Let's head back to the food expo, what we are here for mainly. So I'll directly go inside and show you guys the food expo straight away. And I can see some vending machines up for sale. From here, I don't know they're serving what, but it seems to be something in a food. Fruit? Oh no, vegetables. Fresh vegetables, and then beef that has been cooked. They have sample. Maybe I'll try later. This is cake. Oh no! This is a cake with some gravy inside, curry inside. I don't know what it is, but yeah, seems to be so quite delicious because from the smell. So here we go. We are inside the Food Expo Sunway Pyramid 2022, and it's huge. So let's start from the one side, and I'll try to make the video fast. I don't want you to wait and see, so you guys can enjoy the video straight away. I don't want to talk all the way in the video and consume a lot of time from you guys. But if you haven't subscribed, go hit the subscribe button to the Marshes channel. That's where you can get more updates in future for the events coming or the places that I'll be visiting. Okay, thank you. Okay, oh, thank you. Okay, that. That's yummy. I like it. Okay, I'm already in the vibe now. First free sample already in my hand. Let's go for others and enjoy the video.
Sorry?
You are using credit card?
I don't know. Sorry, come again?
You have using credit
No,
card?
no, I'm not.
Today before Standard Chartered Bank.
I'm an international, cannot apply for credit card.
Oh, okay, sorry.
It's okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Most randomly asked question: do you want to apply for a credit card? Oh, we are internationals. We cannot apply for it. Never mind. Okay, so uh, it's amazing. It's amazing. You should come here and get some white. So this is a drink which is good for your soul and for your digestivity. So this guy really convinced me to buy it. So here we go. So I bought. So one bottle is equal to 12 glass. Talking about food, and if you don't cover Marks Spencer food bakery, it's like incomplete. They have the best cold decaf coffee. It's an instant coffee. You should come and buy this one. It's an amazing one. I recommend this one. And then they have a fresh spaghettis and so on. These are also imported one. These are not local. They are imported from Europe or somewhere there. I'm not sure. And unfortunately, they don't have the cookie that I take. It's always a chocolate one, but they do have this one. Maybe I'll think about that. But they have the best cookies as well. So the prices are fair. To be honest, they are not that expensive or overpriced. They have a very good chilled, like air fry things. You can buy these all and fry at your home. Uh, the best I recommend would be the pizza. In the top, you can see that's a good one. I already tried one. All it's amazing. And then the cake. These fresh cakes, they cost a bit expensive, I would say, like 81 ringgit for a cake, and then wine. I don't drink any, but you can try though. It's time to take a see off. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that I have covered everything. There's a lot in this mall, but in one video you cannot cover it. It's huge. And in future I will try to cover the Sunway Lagoon and many other places. If you haven't subscribed, go hit the subscribe button. See ya. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.